How to get Clash Royale cards. If you want to unlock more cards in Clash Royale, in this quick guide I will show you the best way to get new cards fast. Open the Clash Royale application. The easiest way to get cards in by opening the chest. Play battles to earn gold, silver and giant chest for common and rare cards, magical and legendary chest for epic and legendary cards, seasonal royal pass chest for exclusive rewards. You can also buy from the shop. You can check the shop daily. You can buy common and rare cards with gold, epic and legendary cards with gems or gold, wild card to upgrade any card you choose. Join into the active clan to trade cards using tokens. Request specific cards and help each other to get what you need. You can complete events and challenges. Limited time challenges and events rewards you with cards. Participate to earn rare and exclusive card faster. And that's it. Play battles, open chests, trade with your clan and check the shop to collect more cards. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.